Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys, welcome back to another Dan and Plan video. Starting the day in the pool today. Today we should be going to the lake, which is about 40 minutes from here. A nice lake, some mountainous range. It looks really pretty. I'll be taking the drone. Oh, this perfect morning. It's just gone 8 o'clock. And I thought I'd come and start having a swim. Look at this, so peaceful, no one's here. Just collecting the fresh washing. And then we're about to head off. Let's do it. Right, we're just on our way now. We're meeting Ross actually. And then we're going to the lakes, I think, is it La Siena? Is that what it's called? La Siena, I think it's called. I'll let you know once we've met Ross. Got the drone, got some swimming stuff, because apparently you can swim in the lake. So we're about 5 minutes away from meeting, and then we'll head straight down, show you some stuff on the way. Let's go. Arrived at La Senia. I'm going to show you around this place, but we have been so lucky getting one of these parking spaces here. Absolutely crazy, but check out where we are now. Oh, that's pretty big, isn't it? To get a drink, watching people jumping off the bridge here, straight from there in, and now we're just getting our swimming stuff ready and we're going in. You ready? You ready? Right, we're down at the waterfront now. I'm going to get in, have a little swim around, and then when I get out, drone straight up. This is so beautiful, picturesque, amazing. Walking back to the van now, but look at this place, this is special. Right, we're just going for a drink down the front now, see if there's any fiestas on. Digs. Right, we're just walking back up from the square. Just had a Tinto Verde and a Aquarius lemon. Whew. A nice little day, beautiful place we're seeing today. It was lovely to see Ross and his mum. Now we're just heading back, and then tomorrow we'll be going somewhere because we've got to pick people up from the airport. Okay, but I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.